Okay, real quick. Milwaukee drill. And the problem was I would pull this trigger and it would not do nothing. And I would have to play with this, mess with it, and all of a sudden it'd work for a second. And then I might switch it to the other side, you know what I mean? And it wouldn't work. I'd have to sit there and mess with this and that and this and that, right? Everyone says the trigger's bad. I'm going to tell you what the deal is. It ain't that the trigger or this forward reverse switch, they're the problem, but what it is they get dirt in here. Dirt gets in this. It don't get in it as much with a Sawzall or a circular saw because of the way the distance is, the trigger mechanism, and also they don't have the switch to get more dirt in. They are the same mechanism, but they work fine, right? These, especially with hammer drill, you're going to have so much dust in it. These aren't sealed, so it gets into these little cracks in there. And this thing just wouldn't consistently work. What you do, you don't even have to unscrew it. Everyone that tells you to unscrew it, forget all that. I'm not promoting this product, but I am for this job. It's called Deoxit. Well, Deoxit D5, is that what it is? I don't kill myself. Yeah, what it is, it's a contact cleaner. It's contact cleaner. And what you do is you unhook your battery, make sure there's no power to it, pull the trigger to make sure it's released. And you're going to take this switch here, right? I already did this, so I'm not going to drown it again. But you're going to drown this. Don't go too crazy, but get some in there. Switch it back and forth. Get some in the other side. Spray some in there. Switch it back and forth. You'll feel it all over. This stuff will evaporate and leave no residue, so relax. Okay? Next, get in the trigger. Spray it up in there. Pull that back, spray it in there. Get it inside the edges right here. Spray it in there. Shake it around. Get enough to there's some inside it. Do not worry. It's not going to ruin your drill. Okay? It won't ruin electronic products as long as there's no electrical connection to them where they have power. Okay? So spray it in there good. Take, I took some canned air. I don't know where it's at. I took the spray of canned air. I blew it in there a little bit. You know, blew it. Clicked it back and forth, pulled the trigger, flipped it back and forth, blew the canned air from both sides, did it again. Remember, Deox, it's a little bit expensive, about 10 bucks, but sprayed it into this and into the trigger mechanism as I pulled it and moved them around, blew them out, right? Now, this is what happens after you do that. Ready? Look at that. Every time it works perfect. Let's switch it. Back and forth. Back. So, the triggers are fine. They're dirty. If you want to fix it, that's how you do it. I don't even know if Milwaukee knows about this. But, there you go, man. Deoxit 5, boom, your drill will work like brand new. It's just dirty. Hey, have a great day, guys.